Hey, to find your activity data on the HUAWEI Band 9, you have to open the HUAWEI Health application on your device, and then you will have to go for the Health in the left bottom corner. Now you should click right here and go to All Records. And as you can see from this, you can find your exercise records. When you click here, you can also set only for runs, walks, for example. So we've got the walk overview distance, duration, sessions, and calories burned. But also you can open the specific activity, like for example this one, and you can even find your, in this case, there's actually the outdoor walk on the map, like this. And when you click here, you can find some other data like duration, average pace, calories burned. You can also get some more details like average speed, the steps, or average heart rate, and even the VO2 max. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.